Hello viewers, welcome to the another video. In this video, I will show you how to remove the background of your image with the free AI tool in just one click. So let's get started. So first go to our website erase.bg and drop your image here. Now as you can see that it is uploading our image, then it will take its time to process this image. And boom, you can see that the background of our image have been removed. You can download the image by just clicking on download original site. Choose your location and click on save. Thanks for watching.